Day, Mom and Sir. My name is Rosel Mangpusti. I'm 44 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm college level computer science. About my working experience as a domestic helper and the duties and responsibility are cleaning the house, washing, ironing the clothes, marketing, and I cook some dishes food of Chinese like steamed egg, steamed fish, vegetable, pork, chicken, soup, and vegetable. Mom, I take care of the newborn baby. I give the milk on time, change the diaper, take a look every day, tutorial, play with him, sing him before he can sleep. I love baby has on my child. Take care of the children. I give the food on time, take a bath every day, change the clothes, bring on the school, play with him, sing him before he can sleep. Mom and Sir, I'm honest, I'm patient, I'm hardworking, I'm loyal, and I'm obedient. Mom and Sir, please hire me as a domestic helper. I really need this job for financial for my family, and I promise to you I follow the rules and regulation as a domestic helper, and I promise to you to finish my 2 years contract and extend if you like to stay. Thank you very much, ma'am.